Hello, checking my audio. I'm just going through the technical check. I think it's all fine and we are good to go. Yes, I think we are good. So that's it, right? So yes, just quickly get things right. And good evening, everyone. I think yeah, yeah, it's just now. Yes, yes. So good evening, everyone, and welcome to post-market analysis by Finance with AV of the benchmark indices Nifty, Bank Nifty, as well as Sensex on 14th of October. So another very trending day in the market. So market kept on falling right from almost 9:45 to almost at 1:30 in the afternoon. So this is what we have got in the daily time frame. Nifty has formed an engulfing candle with medium level, tick towards the bottom. So I'm unable to name this candle, but either way, we are not looking bullish, but in fact it has to be said we are at least looking slightly bearish, and Nifty has been respecting this trend line, and that continues to be the case. Okay, so this trend line is supported in the daily time frame, and Nifty has closed below 25,180 to 160 levels, which is also not looking good. Nifty opened, yeah, I'll just get you the chart. Nifty opened with a very small positive gap up opening, and from almost 9:25, it was initially the 10 minutes that gave us some positivity, and after that it was just fall and fall till almost 1:15, 1:10, 1:15 in the afternoon, and it was a clear downtrend with lower highs and lower lows being formed, and some of the position I think people would have had to exit because of the rally which we had today. My positions were at 25,000 put short, so I was relatively safe. I was only concerned in the some around half an hour after 12:30. From around 12:30, let's say around 1:30 was the only time when I was so concerned. So, but again, we could come out with profits today. So yes, Nifty has taken support at 25,050 to 25,060. That at least that holds good, and this level now acts as a very crucial support. Now the the significance of the support is now much more than it was earlier, because the fall today indicates that bears are taking control and the world is hating US China trade uncertainty. The trade war has again to an extent escalated, and there have been exchange of words by the officials from both countries, from China as well as US, claiming that the ball is in others' court. So if they do this, we are going to do this. If they do this, we are going to retaliate. That's what is being said by both countries. So we can more or less say this is the price you have to pay for electing Trump as the president of US. So uncertainty still persists, and market hates that. Market definitely hates that. Let's go check out Sensex as well as Bank Nifty. Sensex also forming a very similar pattern, taking support at 81,800 levels. Bank Nifty, yes, Bank Nifty opened flat. Sorry, yeah, Bank Nifty opened flat, and it was again a matter of lower highs and lower lows, bottom up formation. And towards the end of the day, it has to be said, just like the last day, we had some sort of a recovery in Nifty as well as Sensex, almost more than 100 points recovery from the day's low, and that's how we have closed. So that shows that the bears are not absolutely in control. There is still a bit of fight being going on between bulls and bears, but the upper hand seems to be in the hand of bears now. We might be in for further down movement as things stand. The sectors today, okay, yeah, the best performing sectors today was I think Nifty IT and automobile sector, because Nifty has fallen by 0.32 percentage, IT has fallen by 0.32 percentage, automobile 0.22, and most of the other sectors 0.7 to almost 1% down. Even the defense India sector was in the green, almost 1% in the green in the morning, but that has also turned bearish. And our positions, these are not active positions anymore. These have gone to worthless expiry. So we have come out with profits today and no carry forward positions for tomorrow, because this is no good time to take our positions overnight because of that person who is sitting in the presidential chair of America. That is, I hate that happening, but we have to live with it. So open interest extremely centered at 25,100, again indicating uncertainty, huge uncertainty on both sides. So I think for the time being PCR is at 0.7. We cannot expect any sort of positivity in the market. Time for a trade, you could probably go for any bear call spreads or bear put spreads as well. So that is the possibility we have with a stop loss above 25,200, maybe for the next to next week expiry. So all those things happening, and there is no significant put build up at 24,900 or 800 or even 25,000. See, 25,000 is also weak. I think we are in for a further downslide. That is not looking good at all. The FIADA data, the FI's history, FIs have again started selling. 1,500 crores today in cash market. Sold again in futures, sold futures. FIs have bought puts and sold calls. Okay, sorry, FIs have sold puts and bought calls. Sorry, I misspelled it, mispronounced it. So this is FIs are bullish in futures, bullish in options at least, but they are bearish in futures, bearish in cash market, and I think that continues to be the case again. So where is SGX Nifty currently at? So yeah, the major indices, I think my lab got stuck. Yeah, anyway, so SGX Nifty currently trading at 25,235. that is almost just 40 points gap up, but I am unable to trust SGX Nifty these days because it has been giving wrong signals multiple times. So no trust on SGX Nifty anymore. The major indices to watch out. Yeah, I think the site has some loading issue. Yeah. Currently US is trading in the negative. The VIX is up by, oh my god, S&P 500 VIX is at what is the last is at 20.7, and that is significantly high. So all the premiums shooting up just like anything there in the US. The European markets are again trading flat to negative, and Asian markets I think should be also be negative, generally trading in the negative itself. So we are expecting negativity to continue. 25,000 is a crucial level. 25,050 is broken, and if 25,050 is broken, we could be in for maybe even 24,800 is a real possibility. So at least this is what, as things stand, I am not in for any overnight positions or any long-term view, because it all depends on one person. The entire economy depending on one person is such a bad thing to have, but we have to live with it. That's how the world is. So any key levels to watch out for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, we will go for the day's low itself. The low of the day again to act as a very crucial support. Breaking the day's low, we are directly in for 25,000, probably just in a flick of a second. So this can happen. Nala live undavi. Yes, I'll be there in the live tomorrow as well, tomorrow morning, and we are expecting negativity. And today's trade, I had two trades today, option buying trades, and both were, I played only with one or two loads, so that gave me decent enough profits in terms of percentages. So we'll try to continue with that strategy of 915trade.com. And another thing, I am also conducting a workshop or options trading course, mastery course, in October, that is from 22nd to 29th October, which will be a live class. Yes, on live class, and the link for joining is given in the description, so please do check it out. And it's just a matter of filling up a Google form, and along with the course you are also getting premium subscription to two brilliant tools, options trading tools. Those are Nyztrade Gamma Blast Tool as well as 915 Trade Premium, which is one of my personal favorite now for trading options. So all those things come up in the course. So the details are there given in the Google form. You can definitely check it out in the description. Yes, and what we expect happens in Nifty on this week. My view generally has now turned sort of bearish. Okay, so I'm not in for any bullish trade. Definitely not. Maybe neutral to bearish is where I stand right now. Yes. Okay, so that is what we have in the post market analysis and the open interest data as we discussed, and that is very similar. Yes, Adil is asking how about 915. It is very similar to the open interest data. I also checked it. So because if I take it now and log in and get it done, it might take time. So thanks everyone for joining in. I'll see you in the live trade tomorrow morning at 9:20 a.m. Thank you, Jai Hind, and good night.